Hi everyone, my name is Brandt G, and today I'd like to show you how to make a cricket on a roof. First things first, I'm just going to change the second level to roof, as you can see there. Go ahead and click out, and yes, I'm going to accept that. We're changing that level. I'm going to go to the elevation, and just confirm that it says roof, and it does. And I'm just going to draw some walls real quick. Just going to do a simple 4 walls, make it easy on myself and for all you guys out there. A butterfly roof is pretty simple. It's doesn't take much to do. All you have to do is invert the slopes so that the slope is inward towards the middle of the house rather than sloping to the sides. Here you can see that I'm changing the base layer, or the range base layer, excuse me. I'm going to begin building the roof, or drawing the roof. I like picking lines for the outside of my home, just because it makes it easier to work with. I typically do 2 feet on either side. Also got into the habit of mirroring things, so that's why I'm currently doing this bit right here, just confirming that it matches up. I'd also like to show you what happens when you relieve the slope on the outsides. So this is my roof. As you can see, this is a side view. The roof is very steep, very tall, just like any normal roof. It's just a half roof. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to make it so the slope is on the inside. There we go. Take that one off and turn that one on. So now when I return to the elevation, now you can see clearly that the slope goes into the middle of the building. All I want to do here is I really don't want a 912 slope, so I changed it to 412. I think that looks nicer. It's not as steep, not as dramatic. Now all I'm going to do is, I really could have just mirrored the roof, but I enjoy the process of it, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing, just on the other side now. There we go. Just confirm it's 2 feet, and it is. Perfect. And then just like last time, the inside of the slopes should be selected. And there we go. The one on the left is still 412, and the one on the right is going to be at 912, so I'm going to change that right now. I'm going to go to the elevations right now. It doesn't happen too often, but all I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach that button right there. It says attach top to base. I'm going to do that for both sides of this wall, just to the bottom of that roof. There we go. Now you can see we have a roof piece on top, and below that we just have the walls. Excuse me as I have to use both my fingers for this, but now all I'm going to do is I'm going to place a smaller roof going perpendicular to the roof that I had just created. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rectangle at first and cut it all the way across the roof, and then I'm going to make it a diamond. I'll show you here real quick. As you can see, it's a diamond shape and it isn't quite connected to the roof itself. I'll change that up here in a second. But it's pretty simple. The slope of this one is actually 312. There we go. So I'm just going to select it, and all I'm going to do is, instead of messing with the slope of the actual roof, I'm just going to extend the roof off to the sides. As you can see, that's why I'm drawing that line, until it connects with the roof, the main roof. And so again, just to reiterate, this center piece in the roof is called a cricket, and crickets are used to give water a slope. That way there's not just a single valley in the middle of your roof, but it gives it so that way there's a slope for water to run off of. They're typically used in drier climates, not so much where there's snow, because then again it is a low roof. And there we go. As I'm finishing up, I just widened that cricket. You can kind of see it when I highlight it, and it looks decent. Now all I'm going to do is, I know that it covers and I know that it hits both sides of the roof. And all I'm going to do next is I'm just going to join these pieces. There we go. Sorry about that. I was just messing with the materials. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click the cricket and hit join, and make more definitive lines with the roof. As you can see there, I just created more definitive lines. I don't know why that didn't work that time. Let me try one more time. There we go. Oh, backwards. The cricket and then the roof. There we go. And now we have, as you can tell, more definitive lines in the cricket, so it looks more even. And there you go. Thank you for watching.